Good evening, traders, and welcome back. 26th of June 2024, almost 10 to 12 p.m. UK time, and I'm going to continue with my analysis from the previous video. Now, you've just watched me explain about being taken out on the second part of my position for a 91 pip winner on half of a position. So that helps traders. That's a nice little trade. We were right about the direction. We just weren't right about whether the market was going to continue to the downside. But remember, traders, I am still bearish this market. Now, let's go down the time frame and let's tell you what my thoughts are. I'm going to get short again this market, or I want to get short again the market, because my fundamental and sentiment analysis has not changed. I am still bearish the US dollar, bullish the Swiss franc. And an opportunity now has presented itself for me to again have a go at jumping on the bigger downtrend, if there is to be one. What that is that price now has worked its way up. Obviously, it's taken me out in here. And we've come into this level here. And we've stalled. Let's get rid of that. Let's put in some horizontal lines. So we've come into this level of resistance in here. Let me put a little zone in here. We've come into this level of resistance here, and we've stalled out over here. Let's just make this a bigger chart. That's better. We've stalled out just up in here. Now, let's just go back and let's go to the daily chart, and let's just see if these lines represent any other levels of support or resistance. Well, they certainly do. Look at this here. Let me just get my marker. Here's one for you. Acted as support there. Here's another one. Acted as support there. Now, although this is the upper line, we are in a zone. In here, look. In here, look. Again, that upper line acted as support and resistance. In here, look. Can you see her hovering around there? It's a great level. It's a great little zone. So, what that's prompted me to do is to look a little bit closer at the price action in this zone. Let's get rid of these horizontal lines, just to keep it nice and clear. And let's have a look at what's happened here. Now, what's really attracted my attention here is the volume. Now, let me grab a marker. If I grab this bar here, see this big bar here, look. This one here. That's supposed to be an arrow. And if I take the volume from down here and I drag it up to that bar so we can keep it in line, can you see how much volume there is compared to the width of that bar? Okay, the width of that bar, where's my marker gone? Oh, there it is. I'm going to have to come out of it. The width of this bar, based on that volume, is fairly phenomenal. However, and let's just do some calculations. If you look up in here, this calculation here tells you how much volume there was in each bar. Can you see that up there? Okay, that's my volume. So if I hover over this one here, but you keep an eye up here, you can see that in this bar here, there was 10,000, how much was it? 10,718, 10.718k in volume. Now, let's go across to our level, our zone here, and look at this big white volume bar here. Okay? And can you see how much, and then go across here as I hover over that, and can you see how much volume was in that bar there? 9.941. Now, still a significant amount of volume. Yes, less than this one, but not much. The question that I'm asking myself is, if the volume in this bar here and this bar here are so similar, then why didn't the volume that created this bar not cause this bar here to be a lot bigger than it was, at least this size? the size of this one. And the only thing that I can come up with is that because we are in this level of resistance, okay, congestion, the volume, what is in this volume is selling pressure. Is this a level where the selling is absorbing the buying? Is this a level where the sellers are overcoming the buyers? And because of my fundamental and sentiment stance, bearish, because we are in congestion resistance, I think I'm going to take a shot at this, because you've already seen me want to go short on this, and this is just another reason for me to potentially get back in. So let's get rid of this line and let's fashion a trade and let's see what can happen. Now, I'm not going to go in at the market. I do want to see the bottom of this big bar taken out before I place a trade or before I get taken in. So let me go short there and let me get my tool and let me just place it just below here. Let's say there. And let's see what that means. Okay, so what's good with this? Well, I like the level for a stop loss. I like the high of this here. So I'd like to see my stop loss above that high. Let's say 60 pips. Nice little bit of room there. Should price come up and challenge that level? If I go 60 pips above where we are, I don't want to be in this trade anymore. And then we talk about our profit, don't we? And remember before I was looking at 300 pips down to this level. Let's just have a look. Oh, is this still valid? This is actually the level I'm going to push for. Right in here. 232 pips, 3.81 risk reward trade. Based on that, let's get this set up. So what do I want to do? I want to create a limit order. On a stop, I want to risk no more than 0.5% of my account. And we are set up and ready to roll. 61 pips risk, 231 pips in profit, in potential profit. 0.5 risk on a stop order. There we are. Perfecto. So let's just go back down. Let's have a look. Okay, so if price pushes to below this bar and takes me in, we're in. So I'll drop an alert just below here, just to say if price crosses down through that level, short trade triggered. And it's at that point, if we do get there, I will, if I'm at my PC that is, I will shoot another video. Thanks for sitting in again, traders. It's just a case of seeing what happens now. If this comes off, this is going to be a phenomenal trade. Because it's my second go at it, and it will be live evidence to you that you need to sometimes have a second go at it. And here, just to prove to you that I'm actually recording this live, 26th of June 2024, 5 to 12 p.m. Traders, thanks for sitting in. Come across and subscribe to the channel. Leave me a comment, press on the bell icon. Help this channel to grow. Catch you soon, traders.